Head over to search and then type in run, click on it, and then type in services.msc and click on OK. Once you're on it, click on any service and then type in on your keyboard S, and then we want to scroll down and we want to look for sysmain. Once we're on it, right click on it and then click on properties, and then you want to make sure that startup type is on disabled and then click on OK. Right click on it again and then click on stop. Next, you want to select any service and click on C on your keyboard, and then you want to look for connected devices platform service. Right click on it and then click on stop. Right click on it again, head over to properties, and then you want to make startup type disabled and click on OK. Next, we're going to head over to search and then type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once that opens up, we're going to scroll down to this PC, and then you want to select the drive that you have Windows installed on. So for most people, it's on your C drive. So right click on your C drive, head over to properties, and then head over to tools, and then click on optimize and defragment drive and optimize it. We want to make sure that this says off. So head over to change settings, and then you want to uncheck this and then click on OK. Now it's off. Next, we're going to head over to search and then type in task manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, head over to startup apps, and then you want to disable all of the apps that you don't want to start when your computer loads up. So for example, if I want to disable Logitech G Hub, I'll click on it and then click on disable. Do this for all of the apps that you don't want to start up. Next, we're going to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it, and then make sure you do all of the updates. If there's nothing here, then it should say check for updates, then click on it and do all of the updates. Once you've done all the updates, you want to restart your computer. Make sure you click on restart. Don't click on shutdown, click on restart.